Ayan, so check natin yung swimming pool niya. Ito yung ipapainitin natin. So, ang goal natin dito is painitin tong buong pool na to. Maliit lang to, kaya kaya-kaya ng heater natin to. Tara, check natin. Check natin ginagawa sa baba. So, ayan, i-install ng mga boys natin tong heat pump. Dito kay Sir Eric. So, ayan, ito yung mga gamit natin. Medyo makitid lang yung pump room eh. Pero kaya natin. And I hope ma-replumbing to kasi medyo sablay din yung pagkaka-plumbing niya. So ilalagay na natin yan. Papasok natin sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, ini-install natin itong ano ngayon. Heat pump.
So yan, gumagana ang heater niyan. Alright?
Ganyan.
So ganyan itsura. Okay, so ang pagbukas niyan, on nyo lang to, yan. Pag pumitik na siya, makikita nyo rito, mag-on siya. Nararamdaman na namin yung init.
So ayan, nag-avail si Sir ng heat pump inverter natin. The full guy heat pump inverter. Ayan.
And you know what? I never even thought of it. My wife was the one who thought of it and said, hindi ko alam kung si possible eh. Kahit may swimming pool, you can put in an inverter pa. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. So, first thing na tinignan ko nung dumating ako kanina, I was like, let me check out the pool. So, very excited ako dito talaga. It goes up to around 30.
There's a certain temperature there, mga around 40 ang kaya mong yun, pero hindi niya talaga mamamax out yun kasi meron kang losses eh. Kunyari, na-reach niya na yung gusto niya sa temperature, it will stop. And then pag bumaba yung temperature, i-pick up na naman siya ulit. So it's a reverse technology of the aircon. Yes, it's reverse. Kasi ang ginagawa nito, yung humidity, ino-convert niya into hot water. And then yung lalabas niya ngayon, is yung malamig. Yun yung tapon niya. Sa aircon kasi baligtad eh.
So, itong tubig na to na lumalabas dito,
That's warm.
warm na.
That's one. Ngayon yung blower nung ano,
Ng inverter.
yun ang malamig. Kaya nga, most of the time, they want to stay inside the pump room kasi it's cold. And most of some of,
aircon.
para siyang aircon talaga, literal. Oo, and the
It's colder.
yeah, I know.
It's actually colder.
Yeah, yeah. How do you know na umaandar siya ng maayos? Pag malamig yung loob. Pag malamig yun, nire-reverse ano niya yung acidity. So, umiinit siya dito. Hindi ako makapag-straight English eh, na dumudugo yung ilog ko eh. Buti na lang magaling si Sir Eric mag-Tagalog.
It's good kasi ang gagawin ko, plano ko, is warm and cold therapy. So cold therapy, warm, balik cold. Balik
Nakita ko nga, nakita ko.
So,
Maganda yun, okay yun. Kasi kami, sir, pag nag-workout kami, after workout, diretso makdo eh.
so
Kasi ang common na problema ng swimming pool, pag mali yung pagkakagawa, nagligit siya. And pag naglik ang swimming pool, sir, nagpagawa ng bago. Gastos, masakit sa ulo. Yeah. Kasi sir, tatastasin mo natin eh. There's no way na re-repair mo lang yan. Once na yung structural mo nagkaroon na ng problema, so ano na yun eh, wala na yun. May problema ka na sa structural integrity. So yun na yun, it's a domino effect na yun. Ang swimming pool, sir, pag may tubig na yan, kahit anong kapalpakan o kahit anong pang ginawa mong kalokohan dyan, hindi mo maitatago. Kasi lalabas at lalabas yung tubig yan. Yung blue pipe na yun, it's fine sa ngayon. But eventually, they are not designed kasi for swimming pool talaga. Meron talagang pipes.
parang pipe ng
Those are for portable water. May pressure kasi at saka chlorinated water. Yun yung magiging problema mo sa blue pipe. Kasi lulutong siya. Pero ako, sinabi ko lang na para at least may heads up kayo. You see the voltage there?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's, once the voltage go high, it will turn off. And once the voltage go low, it will shut down. Shut down also because that's a safety measure. And then this one, the plumbing here, you see the difference with our pipings? Yeah, you see the
That's
difference?
the gray one, right?
Yes, that's the new one. Yan talaga yung pang swimming pool. And you see those bulbs?
So, yeah.
They are easily to operate. They are not like that.
Medyo old.
Matigas yan eh. I-recommend ko na rin kay ma'am na i-replace natin ito, i-replumbing.
Right.
Yeah, kasi ano eh, medyo mali-mali rin yung
Yung,
yung plumbing. And we will align it na mas malinis tignan.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. Lamig. It's nice eh,
I
right?
can get used to this.
Ayun na, thank you. Thank you para sa pag-avail ng aming heat pump. And thank you kasi nagustuhan mo.
That's why I said kanina, di ba? Understatement to, I love it. I really love it. And I'm thankful talaga. Na we chose this, we chose you guys to do this for us talaga. So we're gonna have ito, saktong panahon din, magka-Christmas
December.
na, festive holidays.
Gamit na gamit.
Yeah, we're gonna
At saka yung chlorine namin, nakita ko nung unang dating ko rito,
Ay,
medyo
oo. Ayun, anong chlorine na...
yung gamit namin, meron lang kasi kami specific na chlorine talaga na ginagamit. Kasi maraming available na chlorine sa market, pero hindi sila lahat safe and effective. Yung gamit namin, it's a organic one, hindi siya makati sa balat at hindi siya maamoy. But the effectivity, nandun.
Okay.
I don't sell stuff na hindi ko gusto at hindi ko naiintindihan. Mahirap mag-recommend ng something na hindi mo naiintindihan at hindi mo gusto.
Especially sa kliyente.
Yes, oo. Ikaw mismo, di ba? Ba't mo i-endorse yung something na hindi mo gusto? Di ba? So, sa mga gusto magpa-endorse, alam niyo na.
Salamat na marami.
Oh, thank you so much.
Guy.
Cool guy na pwedeng cool guy.
I'm the big guy.
That's right. So, currently, it's working at nagwa-warm yung pool. At ang pansin ni ma'am, tahimik yung heat pump namin because it's a quiet series. So, tahimik talaga yan. Halos di mo maririnig at malamig ngayon doon sa pump room. It's very efficient at dahil inverter siya, so energy efficient siya.
I'm the big guy.
And I'm the cool guy.
And both, we're cool guys.